Is your Windows PC refusing to open .exe files? Don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix the frustrating issue of not being able to open .exe files on Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7. Our easy to follow guide provides solutions to get your system running smoothly again. Say goodbye to this common problem and regain control over your PC. To fix the issue of not being able to open .exe files in Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7, you can check and correct the file association. Here's how. Step 1. Right-click on any .exe file on your computer. Step 2. Select Open With and then click on Choose Another App. Step 3. In the How do you want to open this file window, choose More Apps. Step 4. Scroll down and select Windows Command Processor or Windows Command Script. Step 5. Make sure to check the box that says Always use this app to open .exe files. Step 6. Click OK to confirm the association. This should correct the file association for .exe files, allowing you to open them normally.